Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable silent mode on iPhone with iOS 26. So to do this, you have just to go to the button, like this button is above your volume up button, and you have just to swipe it down, and as you can see now my phone is on silent mode. And if I want to deactivate the silent mode, I have just to raise it up like this and my phone is ringing again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To like this video, see you in the